that worldwide deaths and diseases. Okay friends, daily the people were 14,000 people were dying by this related of water diseases like diarrhea. Okay friends, in India daily 580 people were dying by this water related illnesses. So the water pollution cannot begins itself. But example takes the oceans. Friends, the 80% of oceans were polluted by this sewage and toxic chemicals, okay, by the human activities. Okay friends, and the farmers were spraying the fertilizers and pesticides to the fields. In the process of spraying the fertilizers to the fields, it releases the chemicals into the water, and this water goes to the near water bodies like rivers, ponds and lakes. Okay friends, and next see this, the contamination of water bodies. The contamination of water bodies like rivers, aquifers and groundwater lakes. Okay friends, by this contamination of water bodies, and by this contamination of water bodies, it polluted the entire biosphere and also that animals that living in the aquatic in water. Okay friends, it is not only affect to the water animals, it is also affect to our human beings and also individual species, and it pollutes the entire biosphere. Okay friends, and now we discuss about, okay, the sewage is a most problem that is in India. Okay friends, so many people were disposing the sewage into the rivers. By this disposing of sewage and toxic chemicals into the rivers, it leads the 7,60,000 children were died by the diarrhea under 5 years in every year. Okay friends, back in 2002, the World Health Organization estimated that 135 million people were died by the 2020. Okay friends, the water pollution as N. Okay, next we discuss about wastewater. Friends, we all are wasting some water, and the chemicals were mixing in the water. Okay, by this in the wastewater enters to the clean water. The clean water also polluted by this wastewater. When we drink this wastewater, the effects like skin diseases and also affect to the human body, and also it is affect to our birds and animals and also crops. Okay friends, when this disposing of this wastewater into the purified water, by this chemical water, that means wastewater, it is affect to the entire biosphere, okay, by the drinking of this water. Okay friends, did you understand what I am saying? Okay. Now we discuss about wastewater. Okay, that means chemical water. The chemicals, that means friends, friends, in the morning we are bathing with soap. The soap chemicals were entering to the water and polluting the water. Okay, when these soap chemicals and other chemicals were entered to the environment or water, okay, it causes the diseases to the individual species and aquatic animals that living in the oceans or seas and other water bodies like lakes and ponds. Okay, and now we discuss about oil pollution. Friends, pollution is also a common thing. In seas and oceans, when the ship is traveling on the ocean, if something happened to the ship, the oil is covered with the oil covering the water and forms the oil pollution. Okay friends, this oil pollution will forms like a oil spill and affect to the water body, affect to the aquatic animals like fishes, etc. Okay, by this oil pollution we are also, the human beings also get the problem to the by this oil pollution. Okay, this oil pollution were polluting the entire water. Okay friends, next plastic pollution. Friends, do you know we all are using the plastic daily for different purposes. Okay, we are by this using of this plastic, it is also a effect to the environment. Okay, the plastic is a lightweight and also it is also travel from anywhere and long distance. When these plastics were washed by the beaches and waves and forms the and it floats the water and cause the plastic. Okay friends, by the plastic is not a natural disaster. Okay, no, plastic is not a natural disaster, it is a human made thing. Okay, by this plastic, the plastic is not biodegradable or decompose in the soil and it is affect to the land and environment. Okay friends, next we discuss about what are the causes of water pollution. Friends, there are number of causes of water pollution. Heat or thermal pollution or power plants catches the diseases. Okay, in rivers. Okay friends, see there the Vinayaka statue is there. Okay, by the Vinayaka statue is made up of some chemicals and these chemicals, when we dipped the Vinayaka statue into the water, the chemicals were mixed into the air and polluted the all over the water. Okay friends, and raising of temperature, when the temperature will rise, okay, the oceans will evaporate speed and its affect to the aquatic animals and other water bodies and also affect to the human beings. Okay friends, and now by this drinking of this sewage water or a polluted water, we cause the diseases. Okay, when these sewage or a toxic chemicals enter to the water, it cause the diseases. Okay, like skin allergies and etc. Okay, like these diseases were caused by this water pollution. Okay, next what effects of water pollution. Friends, by these oil tankers, the accidents where occurs in the river or a ocean or a sea, the oil cover all over the water and forms like a oil spill and polluted the entire water in the oceans and seas. Okay friends, and when we drink that water, we cause the diseases by the oil pollution. Okay, next we discuss about when this sewage were entered to the water, it is harmful to the aquatic animals. Okay, like shellfish and fishes. Friends, the shellfish lives the near of shores and when the sewage were enters to the environment, enters to the waters, the it causes the seal poisoning. When we eat this seal fish, we cause the diseases. Okay friends, and next we discuss about what and also effects of water pollution and effects of human health. It causes the skin allergies and heart diseases and lung diseases and breathing problems and digestive troubles and fluorosis. These type of problems were caused by this water pollution. Okay friends, and next we discuss about heart problems. Friends, see this, the person were affected by the water pollution and they were taking the treatment in the hospital. Okay friends, like that when we drink that sewage and sewage water, we can also cause the diseases. Okay friends, and it is harmful to the aquatic life and it is cause the problems like aesthetic problems and okay, by this water pollution. Okay, and next we discuss about fluorosis. Friends, do all of you know how the fluorosis will affected by the human? As the fluorosis were affected by when we drink the fluoride water, the fluorosis diseases were comes. Okay, example, the Nalgonda and Khammam district. In these two districts, the fluorosis were coming by the drinking of fluoride water. Okay friends, and we discuss about how can we stop the water pollution. Friends, there are so many types of solutions where by the controlling of water pollution. Okay, now we discuss about education, laws and economics. Okay friends, now we discuss about the education. Friends, education means in 1992 the Britain crews were affected by the water related illnesses and they forms a group like the term is suffers against the sewage. Okay friends, and they were put the beach cleaning session in the beaches and they were also forms a groups when anybody can catch the fish in the seas or oceans, they can pay the money or penalty. Okay friends, by this education we can stop the water pollution. Okay, and laws. Friends, there are so much of laws for stopping of the water pollution. Okay friends, in India in 2009 were put the law for controlling the or stopping the water pollution, and also international laws also added to the for stopping the pollution. In these pollutions, the chief ministers and also the prime ministers were also participated when the putting of these acts. Okay friends, the acts like UN Convention on the UN. Okay, the UN decided that to control the pollution we can put a act, we can form a act. Okay, like that the UN Convention put the act, and also the humans also puts the acts from controlling this water pollution or stopping this water pollution. Okay friends, see this slide. Laws. Okay, there are different types of laws were present in our India, like NGGBA. It is formed on the 2009. Okay friends, and international laws. In this NGGA laws, it's participate, the Prime Minister also participate in this laws, and Chief Ministers of different states. And international laws, the UN Convention and Law of the Seas, and London Dumping Convention. Okay friends, like these acts we can control the water pollution. Okay, and next see this, and economics. Friends, by this is also one of the way to controlling of water pollution. Okay friends, that means whoever causes the pollution in the environment, they can treat it. Okay, they can treat it with natural ways, and also in many ways they can treat the pollution. And when these fish catchers were catch the fish in the hello Sparrow, hi Sparrow, hi Sparrow, hello, hi Sparrow,
Hello.
Tell me Sparrow, tell me what is your question?
Hello.
Sparrow. Friends, okay, and economics. The fish catchers were like they were catching the fishes in the oceans and seas. Okay, by this fish catching and in the oceans, they put the penalty by the catching of fishes. Okay friends, and now we discuss about our clean future. Friends, that means our life is a ultimately choice. Our life is about choices, and so is pollution. Okay friends, that means we use the natural detergents to controlling the water pollution and controlling the water pollution. Friends, we all are forms like a group and saves our environment and plants and animals that are present in our environment. And friends, see this, we can stop the air pollution by using of this 3R principle, that means reduce, reuse, recycle, etc. Okay, that this reduce the plastic that is harmful to the environment, and recycle the material which you are using, and also most material can be recycled and use that material for other purpose. Okay, and and when avoid the fertilizers, the farmers were spraying the fertilizers, and so we want to save the environment with the help of this avoiding of these fertilizers, and avoiding of these fertilizers, and it is harmful to the environment, and also that is it harmful to the aquatic life, and plants the bushes and shrubs into near of your village, and near of your dormitory or near of your classes. So please plant these the plants, and we can save the environment by this water pollution and air pollution. Okay friends, by this conclusion we can save our environment by the air pollution and water pollution. Okay friends, thank you, have a nice day.